Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, we are going to be decorating for Valentine's Day, and we're also going to be baking, decorating, tagging, and bagging the Freshies that we started prepping for in last week's vlog. So as you guys know, I have been on the hunt for Valentine's Day decor, and this is pretty much everything that I have come up with over the past 2 weeks. Now, I did go to Hobby Lobby a couple times. I even checked Michael's, Joann's. I went to several different Targets, Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx's, Home Goods. So I'm obviously not gonna be decorating like my entire house. I'm probably just gonna be decorating like this buffet cabinet along with my coffee bar. And if I have some leftover decor, then I will also decorate like the coffee table in my living room and maybe my mantle and end tables over there. So I'm gonna start putting this stuff out and we'll see how much we can fill. But I think this is probably gonna be it for this year, unless I just happen to come across some more stuff, which, like I said, I've been on the hunt and it's been pretty unsuccessful so far. Most stores have like a very, very tiny selection of Valentine's Day decor. So if you guys are shopping at a store that I didn't mention, drop it down below and I'll see if they have one near me. I would greatly appreciate it. So I got this jar at Ross for $5, and I also got this big bag of Valentine's Day heart-shaped marshmallows. These are huge, and these were also $5. Look how cute, giant heart marshmallows. Okay, and then I have another one of these jars with a wooden lid, but this one is a little bit smaller, obviously. And this one was only $4. And I got these heart marshmallows from the Dollar Tree, and I like that these are like two-toned hearts, so I thought this would be cute to go with it, just to kind of go with the bigger jar. Look at this adorable candle. I got this from Marshalls. It smells so good. I can smell it, like it's so strong just through this like tiny little hole, but it's like a little latte mug, but it's a candle. So cute. So this obviously has to go up here. And then I got this little sign from Hobby Lobby. Love that. And I got this little mug at Marshalls. It says love letters. It's obviously a Ray Dunn mug. And it has this adorable little topper. Oh, I love it. Okay, and then I'm gonna take down these two mugs. And I'm gonna put up these adorable Ray Dunn mugs. So this one says candy hearts. I got this at Marshalls. Has a little EXO candy heart on the back. So cute. And then I'm gonna put this other Ray Dunn mug I think I also got at Marshalls. It was in my last vlog. And it just says cutie on it. So cute. And then I have this adorable little jar that I also got from Hobby Lobby, and it was $5, but I got it when all of the Valentine's Day stuff was like 40% off, which I think it still is. These adorable little resin hearts that I made. I think I'm gonna put this up here, and I think I have some Valentine's Day straws in my kitchen that I'm gonna go grab. Okay, so here are the Valentine's Day straws that I have. They're just like white with like little red metallic hearts all over them. So I have this cute little tiered tray that I got from TJ Maxx. Super cute. I think it was only like $15. Yeah, $15 from TJ Maxx. I like how simple it is, and it just has a cute little heart handle. I would even like put this up throughout the year, not just Valentine's Day, to be honest. So cute. So I'm just gonna decorate this with some normal decor and some Valentine's Day decor. So I always like to put some useful stuff on trays. So I'm putting these cute little coasters that I got from Marshall's. I think they were like $7 or $8, but they're so pretty. They're like this stone, granite. I don't know what that is, but it's like gray and white, so it goes with all of my stuff. And then I got this cute little XO sign from Hobby Lobby. It was only $7, but I got it when it was 40% off. I think all the Valentine's Day stuff is still 40% off. And then you gotta have some greenery on your tiered display. And I got this cute little glass pink truck from Hobby Lobby. It was only $8, but like I said, 40% off. I need to like find something to put in here, whether it's like flowers or hearts or I don't know, something. And then a cute little candle that I got from Marshall's. It was only $4. And then I always just like to add like this little beaded, I don't even know what you want to call this. It's not like a garland tassel thing. So cute. And I also love that this little pink truck matches this pink truck that I got from Marshall's. This one was only $20. So cute. It's just like a little metal pink truck with white flowers. I also saw some white trucks with pink flowers, if you would have rather had that one. I personally really like the white truck. I wanted to get it, but because all of my furniture in here is white, I didn't want a white truck on top of, you know, a white cabinet. They also had larger ones that were probably like that much larger, maybe that much taller, and the flowers were more full, and it was like $35, I think. So I like that. That truck matches my cute little pink truck over here, so cute. And then I got this cute little casserole or dessert dish from Ross. It was only $5. It's like a Martha Stewart brand little casserole dish, but I thought it'd be cute to use as like a little candy dish because it's so small. So I got a bag of some heart gobstoppers. I love gobstoppers. So I'm gonna go put this on this end table in here. So cute. And then I got this wooden heart-shaped bowl from Hobby Lobby. It was $15, but like I said, 40% off. I think I want to put wax in this and make a candle out of it. I think it would just be so pretty. I could even put like, I might leave it plain white, but I could do like, you know, white wax and then sprinkle some like rose petals or something on top just to make it, you know, pretty, and add some pink in there. So I thought I wanted it on the coffee table. And then I also have like these fake pink roses. They have like resin in the bottom of this vase to make it look like water. But I thought like this would be pretty next to it. I really want to get like a tray or something to put this on, and definitely like a Valentine's Day like table runner, but I just could not find one that like matches all my stuff that I liked. So I'm gonna have to figure something out, but for now that's just where it's going. And then I have this other glass heart bowl that you could put candy in, but I think I might fill it with wax and make a candle out of this as well. And then on my mantle right now, I'm gonna leave that big metal piece in the middle because I don't really have anything else to go up there for now. I did find this at Marshall's. I think it was like $5. Yep, $5 at Marshall's. I love like the white detail. I just love like natural wood tones with white. I just love the way it looks. So I thought this would be pretty. So cute. And then I also got this really pretty like felt garland. Originally I wanted to put this on my coffee bar, but because I have these drawers on the front of it, it wasn't going to work right there, obviously. And it's like way too long. It's like a 6-foot long garland, and obviously that table is not 6 feet long. And then I thought maybe I can hang it from the shelves, but I just couldn't figure out like a good way to hang it and like it look good without cutting it and making them like separate pieces, and I don't want to do that. So I think I'm gonna have to put it on my mantle, which is fine. It's super cute. So cute. I also got this cute wreath. I already hung it up. I couldn't wait. I hung it up like the same day I got it. Dried flower wreath. I think I got it from, was it Home Goods or TJ Maxx? I don't know. It was in one of the last vlogs where I did all my Valentine's Day shopping. Yeah, this is everything I got for now, guys. So now we are ready to go start baking our Freshies. All right, guys, so it is another day, and today we are going to be fulfilling some of these Freshie orders that I got since I've uploaded them to the website. So as you guys have seen, we have baked and decorated the Freshies. We put them in their bags and tagged them. I took product photos, uploaded that to the website, and got these Freshies posted. So these are the orders that I have gotten since I posted them. So I thought I would go ahead and set you guys up, and you guys can watch me package some of these orders.